Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the IMEI numbers. The first one requires a secret code, so let's start with that one. Let's enter the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's go back and let me show you another way through the settings. It is a little bit longer, however, it will be useful if for some reason you will forget the secret code or it won't work. So let's enter the settings, then we have to scroll and tap on General, and then tap on About. It should be at the very top of the list. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.